database relationships.
After set up different table for each subject and database, you need a way of telling the program how to bring that information back together again. The first step in this process is to define relationship between your tables. Throughout this lesson, you'll learn about the relationships and integration among tables. There are 5 types relationship: one-to-many relationship, recursive relationship, referential integrity, many-to-many relationship, one-to-one relationship.
What a relationship do?
A relationship is established association between common columns in 2 tables according to the business requirement. You can choose the type of the relationship you want to create and maintain data integrity between tables.
What is the difference between relationship types?
To know different between relationship types, we will study the 5 types of the relation. One-to-many relationship. Row in table A can have many matching rows in table B. Row in table B has 1 and only 1 matching row in table A. The department contains 1 or more employees. The employee works at one and only department.
How one-to-many relationship is commonly represented?
The one-to-many relationship is commonly represented by the primary key, or unique key, in the table A, as the one side, and the foreign key in table B, as the many side.
Throughout the next slides, you learn about the recursive relationship.
Recursive relationship is basically a one-to-many relationship. Primary key, or unique key, and foreign key, where both of the 2 keys exists together in the same table. The recursive relationships between the employees and their managers can be described as follows. The manager has 1 or more employees reporting to him or her. The employee reports to one and only manager. Since managers are in fact employees, their data is stored in the employees table along with the data of the non-manager employees. You look in the table twice. The first time you look in the table to find the employee name in the name column and his or her manager number in the manager column. The second time you look in the employee number column to find the employee's manager number and in the name column to find the employee's manager name.
Can you tell me about referential integrity relationship?
The referential integrity guarantees existence of foreign key column values in one table and primary key column values in the same table or in another table, as well as preventing the deletion of any parent row when its primary key value is used as foreign key in any child row.
Referential integrity? Well, it ensures consistency between related tables. So we've talked previously about how we need to relate tables together using foreign keys, and referential integrity ensures that that relationship doesn't turn sour, that it's always a relationship that's going to get us results. So let's move on and take a look at what that actually means. Okay, so here's a relational database that we've seen before. We've got a one-to-many relationship between the primary key and the genre table and the foreign key and the video table. So we can see that we've got that there. Okay, so referential integrity on another level means that each record containing a foreign key attribute must have an equivalent primary key value in the related table. So let's just take a look. So there's my foreign key, there's my primary key. Now let's take a look at all the values underneath the foreign key. Okay, so there's a 1 in my video table, and there's a 1 under primary key in my genre table, so that's okay. Same here, there's a 1 and a 1, so that's fine. A 1 and a 1, that's fine. A 1 and a 1, that's fine. Let's have a look at the next one. We've got a 2 in the foreign key, we've got a 2 in the primary key, so that's fine. We've got a 3, and that matches up with a 3. So referential integrity is, in this particular instance, it's correct, it's there, it's sorted. So let's have a look at situations where referential integrity is broken down. Okay, so in this table, you can see that I've taken away one of the genres, so I've only got genre 1 and 2. The third genre is no longer there. So let's see what happens when I do my little check again. So 1 and 1, that's fine. 1 and 1, that's fine again. 1 and 1, fine. 1 and 1, fine. 2 and 2, fine. Okay, we've got a 3 under foreign key. Oops. There isn't a 3 in the primary key for that to actually happen. So you can see referential integrity in this particular instance is broken down. That cannot be allowed to happen, because obviously I need to be able to find out what genre Star Wars is, and it says that the genre ID is 3, and that links to the genre table. So we go to 3 in the primary key expecting it to be there, and it's not, so we can't find out what particular genre it is. So that's not any good. Okay, so it must be enforced, otherwise the relationship between tables will become compromised. If I can't find out the information that's required, what's the point of having the information there in the first place? So we can't rely on our query results if we cannot ensure referential integrity, because they just might be plain wrong.